Alright, so today we are going to talk about the writing process. This is for a first grade classroom, so these are super simple ideas, and we'll just basically go through everything that I expect to see in their writing, whether it be in their journals or in a professional one that they're going to publish piece type of writing. So first we're going to begin with the topic sentence. The topic sentence is the opening of the writing. The first sentence is the rest of the paper, and it explains the rest of the paper. Then there's an example down here. I love summertime, something as simple as that. I have a picture right here, and then a video to go along with what I expect during this writing unit.
All of these important educational topics.
Then we'll move to detail 1. Detail 1 is naming one thing that ties back to your topic sentence. Over here are some examples. I like summer because, and then it goes into 3 more specific examples. Again, another example, my favorite thing to do in summer is, and then 2 more examples are listed right here. I love this feature because you can zoom in to whatever you need to super easily. Makes it very accessible for the whole class. Summer is, and then another few examples. Summer is full of flowers, or summer is a great time to be outside. I, on this page as well, have a link to another website where they can go for some more writing help. Let me go back to the presentation. Next we have detail 2. Add another detail that connects to your topic sentence. Then, of course, we have these ideas right here. What are your plans for summer? List facts about the season of summer. And how do you know summer is coming? So just another few things to get their brains working to think of some more details. Last detail is another one that connects to the topic sentence, and then right here I also just included a few more examples. Also, I have a spot for them to come up with their own examples for their own turn, so we'd probably do a think, pair, share there. The last one is the closing. This one is super important. The closing sentence should wrap up your writing. Then I have an example right here. Simply, this is why I love summer. The few things that I really want to make sure that they're checking for when they're almost done with their writing is first checking for punctuation, whether it be a period, question mark, or exclamation mark. I have a stop sign here just to help them remember to stop and think about their writing. Capitalization, always capitalize the letter I. All names begin with a capital. And at the beginning of every sentence, there should be a capital. The last one is just a final check to make sure they went through all these steps: the pre-write, writing, revising, editing, and then publishing. And these are the standards for Miss Ellis's first grade classroom. And that is all of my presentation today.